A pleasant good morning to you, dear students. I am sure you like learning grammar. Are you happy to learn grammar? All right. Today we start with the paragraph writing. What is the purpose of paragraph writing activity? English paragraph writing is mainly meant to test your efficiency in expressing your ideas in English language. While writing a paragraph, remember to write a heading. The language should be correct and appropriate. Your grammar should be correct and accurate. You should also use proper words and correct spellings. Ideas and thoughts should be connected. Is it clear to you? Okay. Suppose you have to write a paragraph on uses of television or pleasures of watching TV. What are the points that you would use? Some of the points could be: first, it is a wonder of science. It is a necessity. It is a good companion. It is a means of entertainment. Gives us different kinds of programs. There are different channels. We can have live telecast. It has also bad effects. Excess watching is bad. These are some of the points that you can use. There are still more points. You can use them as you like. If you write all these points in complete sentences, you will get a paragraph. Is it clear to you? All right. As a part of your homework, you will write a paragraph on uses of television, either using the points that I have given or using some other points that you like. Students, I am also giving you some model paragraphs. You will write these in your copies and learn them for your exams.